Number 1. Vegetable stir-fry with tofu. Ingredients: tofu, a variety of colorful vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, and a light stir-fry sauce. Why it's good: tofu is a good source of plant-based protein, and the vegetables provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Keep the sauce light to control calorie intake. Number 2. Quinoa and black bean bowl. Ingredients: quinoa, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, avocado, and a squeeze of lime. Why it's good: quinoa is a protein-rich grain, and black beans add additional protein and fiber. Avocado provides healthy fats, making this a satisfying and nutritious option. Number 3. Grilled turkey or veggie burger with lettuce wrap. Ingredients: turkey or veggie burger patties, lettuce leaves for wrapping, and assorted toppings like tomato, onion, and mustard. Why it's good: using lettuce as a wrap instead of a bun reduces carb intake, and lean turkey or veggie patties provide protein. Toppings add flavor without excess calories. Number 4. Shrimp and vegetable stir-fry. Ingredients: shrimp, a colorful mix of stir-fry vegetables, such as bell peppers, broccoli, snow peas, and carrots, garlic, ginger, and a light soy sauce or teriyaki sauce. Why it's good: shrimp is low in calories and high in protein, and the variety of vegetables provides essential nutrients and fiber. Keep the sauce moderate to control sodium and calorie intake. Number 5. Eggplant and chickpea curry. Ingredients: cubed eggplant, chickpeas, diced tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger, and a blend of curry spices. Serve over cauliflower rice or with a side of mixed greens. Why it's good: eggplant is low in calories and high in fiber, while chickpeas offer protein and additional fiber. This curry is flavorful and satisfying without being overly calorific, especially if you use minimal oil.